been a minute, been a while.
Hey guys, we are at a smoothie um, cafe. It's around the neighborhood and we're just trying it out. We don't know what it's like, but it looks good and it's healthy for babe to eat. So,
Besides that, baby's forgetting to tell you guys that I took her on a date. You
yes,
know,
that's true.
don't underplay what I'm trying to accomplish here.
That is true. I
You know,
agree.
so
I agree.
we're gonna see.
So, we got two different ones to try. You guys will see them shortly.
Guys, take a look at this. How beautiful this is. Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Okay, guys. It's cold, but it's good. It's actually pretty good. I'm not sure what's under the bottom, but I'll find the ingredients for you guys so I can tell you.
First bite. Now, guys, this place is around our neighborhood. Oh, Felon Base that we moved to. Mm. I told you it was cold. After I get really cold. This is really good. Mm-mm. This is like a 10.
Yeah, it
A
is
10
nice.
out of a 10. Bombard. Let me know. Let me know if anybody have sensitive teeth. If you have sensitive teeth, you know you can't eat hot or too cold. It have to be medium size, medium heat, medium cold. I'm gonna take a little bit. Mm. Mm. Mm, so good. Mm. Mm.
So, guys, that was the end of our date that babe brought me on. As you can see, she is
Maybe.
having a good old time over there. Yeah.
You
She
wondering if it
definitely
was for you or
enjoyed
for
this
me,
one.
right?
Yeah, I'm not really sure at this point. I'm definitely not sure at this point who this was for, but I enjoyed it. It was really delicious. I might have blueberries in my teeth. I am not sure. The possibility of that is very high. It's extremely high. So, but it was wonderful. It was delicious, and it was really, really nice. The atmosphere here, you would think it would be busy, but it's not. It's a bit of everything, and it's really, really nice. And like you feel like you're sitting somewhere on the beach somewhere because you could feel the breeze. It's just super relaxing. Super relaxing. So this is where we're gonna leave you guys. And this is what I'm leaving you with guys with. Babe just chowing down.
Comment below if you ever had this, and if you did, how did you like it? And which one was your favorite bowl? As it stands right now, mine is a traditional. And Babe forced me to get that one because I wanted the one that Babe had. And Babe was like, no, get the traditional so I can taste it. You know, when you have a spouse that bad you up, bully you, no. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell everybody. It's not tell a friend, just tell everybody.
You got a granola thing on. Yeah.
I the manage this plate.
Mm-hmm. Well, until we see you again, I hope you guys have, well, we hope you guys have a wonderful Labor Day holiday. And this was an awesome day. Yes, it was.